Today, I begin training humanity's most advanced humanoid robot inside this laboratory.
Eye tracking calibration begins, ensuring flawless vision and precise human interaction. Every movement must become perfectly smooth before the robot meets real people. Perfect grip control prevents accidents. Robots safely assist everyday human activities. The robot learns to recognize everyday objects with remarkable speed and accuracy. Understanding human emotions creates safer, kinder, and more natural robot interactions. Final precision test completed successfully. The humanoid is ready for real-world deployment. My voice becomes the robot's guide through every learning and decision process. The robot learns to diagnose complex failures before performing precise technical repairs. Advanced reasoning transforms simple objects into complex learning opportunities for intelligent machines. Teamwork between intelligent machines creates faster, safer, and smarter future workplaces. The robot safely navigates unpredictable environments using intelligent perception and adaptive planning. Training complete. Tomorrow, this humanoid begins helping people across the real world. Every successful calibration prepares another intelligent partner to improve countless human lives. Continuous monitoring keeps every intelligent decision reliable, safe, and fully transparent. Watching remarkable progress reminds me why every calibration truly matters. Another successful day ends, preparing tomorrow's technology to serve humanity even better. Every successful mission begins with careful preparation behind these laboratory walls. A new day begins with endless possibilities for humans and intelligent machines together. The future belongs to humans and intelligent robots working side by side. Together, we built a future where intelligence and humanity move forward as one. Thank you for joining today's mission. See you in the future.